Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of genetic function. This question was asked in GATE CS 2017 set 2 question number 47. If the ordinary genetic function of a sequence n equals to 0 to infinite is a plus z divide a minus z power 3, then a3 minus a0 is equals to dash. During lecture, I already discussed a formula for 1 minus x power minus n, or you can say 1 divide 1 minus x power n equals to summation of k equals to 0 to infinite combination of minus nk minus x power k, that equals to summation of k equals to 0 to infinite cn plus k minus 1 k x power k. So you can write 1 plus z, and this thing you can write 1 minus z power minus 3. And for this, we can use this formula. In place of x, we'll write z, and in place of n, we'll write 3. So 1 plus z multiplication 1 minus z power 3. 1 plus z will be same. Then in place of 1 minus z power 3, we'll write summation of k equals to 0 to infinite. C in place of n, we'll write 3 plus k minus 1 k. In place of x, we'll write z power k. Now expand this. For k equals to 0, it will be 3 plus 0 minus 1 and 0. 3 minus 1 is c, 2, 0, z power 0. That will be our first term. C20 z power 0. Next 3 plus 1 minus 1, it will be 3. So C31 z power 1. Next term C3 plus 2 minus 1, here is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 1 4. So C42 z square. Next term will be C3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Here is 3. So C53 zq. Now simplify it. So C20, 2 factorial divide 0 factorial, 2 minus 0 factorial. 2 minus 0 is 2 factorial. This 2 factorial will be cancelled. It's 1. And z power 0, that's also 1. So first term will be 1. Then C31, 3 factorial divide 1 factorial, 3 minus 1 factorial. 3 factorial you can write as 3 multiplication 2 factorial divide 1 multiplication 2 factorial. 2 factorial will be cancelled. It's 3. Then C42. C42 equals to 6. 4 factorial divide 2 factorial, 4 minus 2, it's 2 factorial. So you can write 4 multiplied 3 multiplied 2 factorial divide 2 factorial multiplication 2 factorial. So this 2 factorial will be cancelled. 2, 4, this is 2, 2 multiplied 3, 6. Next C53. 5 factorial divide 3 factorial multiplication 5 minus 3, that is 2 factorial. So 5 multiplication 4 multiplication 3 factorial divide 3 factorial multiplication 2 factorial. So this 3 factorial will be cancelled. Here it's 2. So 5 multiplied 2, it's 10. C53 is 10. Next we need to multiply 1 plus z with this sequence. So 1 multiplied 1, it will be 1. 1 multiplied z, it will be z. Then 3z multiplied 1, it will be 3z. 3z multiplied z, it will be 3z square. Next 6z square multiplied 1, 6z square, 6z square multiplied z, 6zq. Then 10zq multiplied 1, 10zq, 10zq multiplied z, 10z power 4. Now simplify this. Z plus 3z, it will be 4z. 3z square plus 6z square, it's 9z square. 6zq plus 10zq, it's 16zq. Okay, so 1 plus 4z plus 9z square plus 16zq, like this it will continue. So here what is A0? A0 is z power 0 coefficient. Z power 0 coefficient is 1. So A0 equals to 1. What is A3? Z power 3 coefficient. Z power 3 coefficient is 16. So A3 equals to 16. We found A3, we found A0. Now A3 minus A0, that's 16 minus 1 is 15. So answer will be 15. For solving this question, you should know this genetic sequence formula. Okay, that 1 minus x power minus n equals to this. If you know this formula, you can easily substitute here and you can easily find z power 0 coefficient and z power 3 coefficient, that is our A0 and A3. And after substituting subtraction, we got answer as 15. I already discussed genetic sequence. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.